Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.3 question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 cm must rotate to go 352 meter? The distance is 352 meter. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here you see that in one rotation, in one rotation, suppose this is the wheel. In one rotation, this will go the distance of one circumference. Suppose up to here, this is in one rotation, that is the equal to circumference of the wheel, right? Now here you see radius of the wheel. Radius of the wheel is given as radius of the wheel. The radius of the wheel, radius of the wheel is equal to 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. If we change it in a meter, it will be 28 by 100, that is 0.28 meter. 0.28 meter. Here you see that radius of the wheel is 28 centimeter. If we change into meter, that is 28 by 100, that is 0.28 meter, right? That is the radius of this wheel. Suppose the radius of this wheel is 0.28 meter. The radius of this wheel, right? Now in one rotation, the wheel will go the distance of one circumference, right? First we will find the circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel. Find the circumference. Circumference of the wheel. 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 Circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi into r. If we find the value, that is it is 2. The value of pi is taken as 22 by 7. It is 22 by 7. And the radius is 0.28. Radius is 0.28. Right? Therefore, if we divide this by 7, what we are getting? Divide 0.28, 0.28. 0.04. 4 7 is 28. It is 0.28. That means we are getting 0.04. Right? If you cut this one by 7, 7 is 7, and here it is 0.04. 0.04. 0.04. If we multiply this one, then we will get 2 into 22, it is 44. 44. It will be 44. It is 44. This is 44. 44 into 0.04 into 0.04. 0.0. This is 0.04. 04. Now if we multiply this number, that is 44 by 0.04, if we multiply this one, that is by 0.04. Then we are getting 4 4 is 16, carry 1, it is 6. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17, 176, right? And the point is after 2 decimal 1 to 1.76, that comes to 1.76 meter. 1.76 meter. 1.76 meter, right? That means circumference of the wheel is 1.76 meter. That means in one rotation the wheel will go 1.76 meter, right? In one rotation, 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 the wheel, in one rotation the wheel will go, the wheel, the wheel will go, will go a distance of, a distance, a distance of 1.76 meter, of 1.76 meter. Then we have to find the number of rotations to go 352 meter. Therefore, number of rotation is equal to, therefore, number of rotations, number of rotation of the wheel, number of rotation, number of rotation of the wheel, of the wheel, number of rotation of the wheel is equal to, total distance is 352 meter, that is 352 divided by 1.76, 1.76. Now it will come to 352 into 100 by 176 by 100 by 176 by 176. If we cut this one, if we multiply 176 by 2, 176 by 2, that is 2 6 is 12, carry 1 is 2, 70 is 14 plus 1 is 15, 15, 2 plus 1 is 3, 352, 352. Therefore, if we cut this is by 1 and this is by 2, then we are getting 200 rotations. Right? What is the question? How many times a wheel of radius 38 cm must rotate to go 352 meter? Therefore, a wheel, therefore the wheel will rotate, therefore the wheel will rotate, the wheel will rotate 200 times, rotate 200 times, 200 times, 200 times, times, to go a distance of, to go a distance of 20, a distance, to go a distance, distance of 352 meter, 352 meter. right? Once again we are repeating here, you see. First of all, we know that radius of the wheel is 28 centimeter. We change into meter, that means 28 by 100 is 0.28 meter. Circumference of the wheel is 2 pi r, this 2 into pi into r, it comes to be 1.76 meter. Circumference of this is the circumference of the wheel. That means in one rotation the wheel will go a distance of 1.76 meter. Therefore, number of rotation of the wheel is equal to, we have to go to 352 meter. Therefore, 352 by 176, it comes to 200. Therefore, we can say that the wheel will rotate 200 times to go a distance of 352 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.